Automotive repair and custom exhaust business, Revesby, New South Wales. Boasting an excellent reputation built up over many years, this automotive workshop is perfect for a mechanic wanting their own business. Services include automotive, radiator and exhaust repairs, custom-made exhausts, air conditioning, and minor automotive servicing. With a top location on a busy main road and excellent exposure, there is potential to expand to other specialties. The spacious workshop has everything you need, including 4-post and 2-post hoists, with a large mezzanine office or storage space. The front unit in a busy complex, the business has plenty of parking, with 3 designated spaces. Everything you need is included in the sale, so you'll earn an income from day one. Marketed through Facebook, Google, and Gumtree, this trusted automotive business services private and commercial clients. Everything about this business is spot on, including the extensive customer database and reputation, making it an opportunity not to be missed.